Morning everyone, I'm with Bespoke Motorsport today. We're actually in the garage at the moment. It's an open day, so we're going to have a look round. They specialise in TVRs, so we're going to have a look at those, talk to some of the people here. I think they've got a few Nobles and the Yule, which is a Mexican sports car. It's brand new, so there's a whole collection of things to look at. So we will, like I said, have a look around. There's a number of customers here as well.
Yep. Okay.
So at the moment I'm standing behind a TVR Cigaris. It's just behind me there. Incredible looking car really, and we'll have a quick look round. So that's the Tuscan S.
Yeah.
So you said there was a difference between the
box standard Tuscan, 4 litre engine. They did come with 3.6, but this is a 4 litre S.
Yeah.
So it's more modified. The exhausts are larger bore. You know, the suspension's upgraded. There's a lot more tweaks that don't actually meet the eye. But the obvious ones are the spoiler on the back.
Yeah.
And so that's a splitter on the front. Those are the obvious ones.
Yeah. So you're saying what, the exhaust is slightly different from
they've got
stock?
They've got a larger diameter all the way from the manifolds.
Yeah. No, it's a, what are they? The aluminium or the actual bodies themselves?
Yeah, they're all fiberglass.
It's fiberglass.
Yeah.
So that's, I absolutely love the attention to detail, you know, with the gold.
Give it a bit of a blip.
Run 28, something like that, just under 30. If I'm thrashing it, I've had it down, well, I'm guessing I've had a tank full down to 15. But as I'm getting more and more used to the car, the consumption is getting lower and lower.
It's probably because you're quite nervous at first, actually.
Yeah.
What were you driving before this?
Peugeot 307.
That's a slight difference. Yeah, because it's almost the same. You've got wheels and a steering wheel.
This is what I call my first proper car. I've just joined Sporting Bears.
Yeah.
And that's a charity. They raise money for children's charities. And it is like you were saying, sometimes you can take it for granted what you've got.
Yeah.
And then all they do is they sell rides in the car. So I go to 10 shows and that and sell a ride, and you get people that in the car that will either have never had a car like this, or never think they're going to get a car, or maybe people sometimes think they're buying one.
Yeah.
But to see their reactions is as good for me as it is for them.
Yeah.
It's just, and it does put it into perspective what you've actually got.
That's certainly got some talk in it, to say the least. I mean, it's... We won't discuss speeds on camera, but that felt a good 70 miles an hour.
Just below the speed limit.
Yeah. Cars like this never ever go above the speed limit. They're limited to 69 miles an hour.
The thing about that is they accelerate really quick.
Yeah.
Up to the speed limit.
Is this a 4-point harness only, or have you got...
No, got belts. No, got belts. So just pull the harnesses out of the way, the belts on the side.
It's relatively firm.
It's relatively firm, but it's really comfortable. It's really easy to drive. Really easy. My mum's actually driven it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
She just said it's a bit of a mad car, but it's really easy to drive.
Yeah.
It's very simple. Yeah. It can be civil, or it can be really angry.
Yeah. I suppose in the wet as well, it's probably...
Yeah, I think the wet's more down to the lightness of the car rather than anything else. It is really light, and it weighs probably the same amount as a, I don't know, so what would it be a car today? Probably a Fiat 500.
Yeah.
Which is,
With a mental engine in comparison
with
to...
a big 3-litre twin turbo engine.
Servicing like on this, is it?
So the last one that was done at Bespoke was, but I had a bit done to it, but it was nearly £3,000, which probably isn't. Because this has got quite a powerful engine, quite a low revving engine, basically, it pulls up quite quickly, so it's excellent.
That is a completely different feel to the Cerberus, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah, I mean...
Was the Tuscan slow?
Tuscan, yeah.
It's just lazy.
It doesn't, it wafts. It
Yeah.
doesn't do... That just feels mental.
Yeah. So you can think Andy's has got probably 300 brake horsepower more than mine has.
I'd need special trousers, I think, to get in that thing.
You do. It is a bit of a beast.
But,
Yeah, it's right. But Andy's is, as everyone's saying, it's not a Rover anymore. It's just
it's an
a
Andy.
Frankenstein monster of a car that will kill you given half a chance.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. These are actually quicker than, if you've got anything less than 430,
Yeah.
this is quicker.
Yeah.
And I'm not spending £120,000 on an old Ferrari.
And the running costs as well are probably cheaper on this than a
No, it's
Ferrari.
probably about the same.
Oh, okay.
It's probably about the same. Yeah, as I said, my last service was £3,000. So, but when I had a Maserati 3200 GT, a cam belt service on that was £2,500.
Cool.
So, it's probably about the same sort of money.